Consciousness is the strangest thing about being human. You can see, hear, touch, love, fear, but why does it feel like anything at all? Why isn't life just automatic, like a machine running code? Why is there a you inside your head watching it all happen? To understand this mystery, we can look at consciousness as unfolding through different states, layers of awareness that we move through every single day. Let's begin. First, deep sleep. Every night you enter a state where the world disappears. No thoughts, no identity, no dreams. For a few hours, there is no story of you. Neuroscience shows that your brain shifts into slow delta waves. The body repairs itself, memories consolidate, the nervous system resets. But from the inside, there's nothing, no time, no space, no experience. And yet, when you wake up, you somehow know you slept peacefully. It's as if awareness never fully vanished. It simply withdrew. Second, dreaming. Then comes the dream state. Your eyes are closed, your body is still, yet entire worlds appear. You fly, fall, run, meet strangers, relive memories. The brain becomes active again, especially during REM sleep. Emotions surge, stories form. What's fascinating is this. In a dream, you are both the creator and the character. The world feels real until you wake up, which raises a strange question. If dreams can feel real while they last, how certain are we about waking life? Third, waking consciousness. This is the state we call reality. The senses switch on. Light becomes color. Vibrations become sound. Signals in the brain turn into a three-dimensional world. Oh, but science tells us something humbling. The brain doesn't record reality. It renders it. It builds a useful model from limited data. Other animals see ultraviolet light, sense magnetic fields, or hear frequencies we can't. So what we call reality may simply be the version our nervous system allows. Fourth, transcendental awareness. Through meditation or deep introspection, some people discover a different state, awareness without thought. The mind becomes quiet, but you are still awake. There's no inner chatter, no narrative, just pure presence. Brain scans show unusual synchronization during these moments, as if the chaos of mental activity becomes harmonious. Here you realize something subtle. You are not your thoughts. You are the space in which thoughts appear. Fifth, witness or cosmic consciousness. In deeper stages, that quiet awareness doesn't disappear when you return to daily life. You think, act, and speak, but simultaneously you observe. Emotions come and go, but something steady remains untouched. Life continues, yet you're no longer completely lost in the story. You're both the actor and the audience. Sixth, God consciousness. At this stage, perception itself transforms. The world no longer feels mechanical. It feels alive. Nature, people, even ordinary moments seem infused with meaning. Love stops being just an emotion and becomes a way of seeing. The separation between you and the world softens into reverence. Seventh, unity consciousness. Finally, even the sense of being a separate observer dissolves. There is no inner and outer, no subject and object, just one seamless field of awareness experiencing itself through everything. Woke time feels less linear. Identity becomes fluid. It's not that you see unity, you are it. So what does all of this suggest? Perhaps consciousness isn't something the brain produces like smoke from fire. Maybe the brain is more like an instrument, and consciousness is the music. Across sleep, dreams, waking, meditation, and unity, awareness doesn't come and go. It simply expresses itself in different ways. And maybe the greatest mystery isn't where consciousness is hidden. Maybe it's that it has been looking through your eyes the whole time.